A very good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. I am Sarita Pawar. I will teach you value education of class 4. The values described and discussed in these books include respect, peace, honesty, love, responsibility, cooperation, equality, and power of unity. Lesson 1, Manners. Meaning of manners: a way in which a thing is done or happens, we called manners. Lesson 1, Manners. In this chapter, Nico is a small boy and his mother teach him good manners. So, how to Nico's mother teach here good manners? So let's we learn this chapter. Nico, shouted Nico's mother, pulling him back. Nico's mother shouted to whom? Nico, and pulling him back. To whom? Nico. He is going front side, so his mother pull back and telling to him. Whom? Nico. You cannot go to anyone's house simply without permission. What she is mother saying? You cannot go to anyone's house simply without permission. Means first you ask permission, then after you go. So how we will ask permission? We will read here. Respecting others' privacy is good manners. What she is saying? Respecting others' privacy is a good manners. Oh, said Nico. Who is said here? Oh, who said? Nico said and stepped back. And what he is doing? Stepped back. Then he pressed the doorbell. Then after what he is doing? He pressed the doorbell. No one opened the door. Should I ring the bell again? He asked his mother. Who asked his mother? Nico asked his mother. No, wait for some time. If then also no one opens the door, then you can knock. Who is telling here? Nico's mother. After a short while, Mrs. Suman Arora opened the door. Means after a short time, Mrs. Suman Arora opened the door. Say hello to auntie, Nico's mother reminded him. Who is telling? Nico's mother telling to Nico, say hello to auntie. They greeted each other and went inside the house. Since when Suman Arora opened the door, she welcomed Nico and Nico's mother and telling, come, please come inside. Nico's mother had conversation with Mrs. Arora about Nico's tuition, so they were invited by Mrs. Arora at her house. They sat in the dining room. Nico's mother talked with Mrs. Arora on telephone, means on telephone conversation for about Nico's tuition. So Mrs. Arora invited to him whom? Nico and Nico's mother at her home. Then they sit in the dining room. Mrs. Arora, this is my son Nico. I spoke to you about him only. Who is telling to Mrs. Arora? Mrs. Arora's telling to Nico's mother, this is my son, and she is telling to Mrs. Arora, I spoke to you about him only. Means she is telling to about Nico. Mrs. Arora offered some snacks to them. Mrs. Arora given some snacks, cookies to whom? Nico and his mother. She asked Nico. Who asked Nico? Mrs. Arora asked to Nico, which subject are you finding difficult to understand? Mrs. Arora asked to whom? Nico. In which subject you are finding difficulties? Tell me. I find mathematics the toughest subject among all. Means Nico is telling, I find some difficulties in mathematics subjects. in mathematics subject, because mathematics is the toughest subject among all subjects, replied Nico by keeping a big piece of cake in his mouth. Means when he is eating, on eating time he is given reply, means he is putting big piece of cake on his mouth, then he is given reply. Nico's mother glared at him, means Nico's mother saying angrily to whom? Nico, because he is given reply in bad manners. Further conversation was disturbed by a sudden phone call to Nico's mother. It was from Nico's father. Means when Mrs. Arora and Nico's mother talked there, on this time Nico's father called to whom? Nico's mother on phone. Hello. Yes, I have brought Nico to meet Mrs. Arora for tuition, his mother told our phone. While she was talking, Nico snatched the phone from her hands. Dad, did you take the video game that I wanted? He asked his father, who was on tour. Listen, when Mrs. Nico's mother talked with Nico's father, she is telling about Nico. Means she is telling, yes, I meet with Mrs. Arora for Nico's tuition. Like that she is telling. On that time, suddenly Nico snatched the phone from whom? Nico's mother hand. Nico started with his father about their video game. Mrs. Arora frowned. She did not like the behavior and manners. Means Mrs. Arora dissatisfaction with Nico's behavior and manners. She did not like Nico's this kind of behavior. What she was observing. Nico gave the phone back to his mother after talking. He told her that teachers did not teach well. After talking, Nico gave back the phone to his mother, and he told to her mother, teachers did not teach well. Son, you should not complain about your teachers like that, said Mrs. Arora. Who said? Mrs. Arora said to whom? Nico. Son, you should not complain about your teachers like that. Means you should not say any complaint. Means don't tell like that to your mother. About whom? About your teachers. Have you ever asked your doubts from your teacher when you don't understand the concept? Asked Mrs. Arora. Nico replied, no. Have you ever asked your doubts from your teachers when you don't understand the concept? Means she is telling to Nico, when you're having doubts, on the time you're asking to your teachers. So Nico given replied, no. Nico's mother was quietly hearing the conversation between Mrs. Arora and her son. Nico's mother silently hearing all conversation between Mrs. Arora and her son. She felt confident and thought that Mrs. Arora was the right person to teach Nico. Since Nico's mother felt confidence and think about Mrs. Arora, she is the right person to teach my son, my Nico. After few weeks, Nico's mother observed few changes in Nico's behavior, as well as his grade started to improve. Means after few weeks, Nico's mother observed few changes to whom? Nico's behavior. Meanwhile, his father returned from the tour and told them they would go out for dinner. When Nico's father come from tour, He told to them, "We will go out for dinner." When Nico opened the door of the car for his mother and Evan pulled out the chair for her in the restaurant, his father was surprised. Means he is totally changed. Who? Nico. In the restaurant, he looked towards Nico's mother and asked how the change had come up on Nico's behavior. Means in restaurant, Nico's father asked to Nico's mother how to change my Nico's behavior. Means how to change my Nico's behavior. You see, Nico is learning good manners along with tuitions from Mrs. Arora. She said Nico is learning good manners along with tuition from Mrs. Arora. She said softly. Nico's father was happy to see his son, thanking the waiter for serving him food on his plate. "I am glad you made the right choice," he said. Nico's father said to Nico's mother, "I am glad you made the right choice." For whom? Nico. Always good manners enhance our personality.